All right, so we were looking at the case of given information of A, S, and S. In other words, you could do it SSA, where what you have is you have an angle that's not in between the two sides. So this side is given, so this is one of my S's, this is my A, and then the other S is actually going to extend from A here. So what we're going to do is, I have two different pictures here. We're going to do the first one, we'll use our 5 centimeters and our 8 centimeters. So I'm first of all just going to open up my compass to 5 centimeters. And if I go ahead and look like that, 5 centimeters, this is where the side would be. Do you see that there's just no way any length of 5 would actually make a triangle? So 5 does not create a triangle. We're going to look at 8 centimeters as well and see what happens with 8. So we'll do from 10 to 18. Like that. I'm going to look like this. I need to make sure this is really 10. That would be unfortunate if it wasn't really 10. Oh, that's 10. So let me try 8 again, just to make sure I'm exactly where I need to be here. Oh, whoop, it actually does hit there. So right there, barely touching, is one side. So it's just barely enough. And if you look at that, if you look at something that's like 90 degrees, we'll put my stars in here, you can see that that's exactly 90 degrees. So this is just one triangle, and it is a right triangle. That's a special case. Let's go ahead and go down here to check out the 9 and the 12, so we have some space. So we'll open up for 9. 9 is right here. So I can create a triangle right here, and the only other place is right here. So I have 2 different triangles that could be created if I use the length of 9. I can use right there, and I can also use right there. So again, this is 9 and this is 9. So there are 2 triangles, which means that that is an ambiguous case. That if I have an A here, an S and an S, I can have this triangle here. We're going to have the much larger triangle there. We're going to try it also with 12 centimeters. Open up to 12, holy moly. 12 centimeters, that doesn't work, that's just too small. And way out here, it actually does. So I'm going to extend this length here, because I just need it to be a little longer. And go ahead and draw that. So in this case, if this was an angle here, this side here would just create one triangle. So ASS is just kind of a special case, that sometimes no triangle can be created, sometimes it's only just one, sometimes it's 2, like we had here, and then sometimes it's only just one. So we kind of have all these special case scenarios here with the ASS. So if all we knew is the sides and the angle, we would need to know a little bit more information to be able to figure out if it is similar or not, because it is considered ambiguous.